here at Beachside Hotel. As you come in, you see the bathroom here. There is an adjoining door there, and you can hear the kids behind me in the swimming pool. It's open from 9 to 9, and in the morning I'll show you a view. It is around only 6 p.m. but the sun has set. No, it's only 5:45. The sun has set, and that is the view over there. I believe there's a little balcony, but I'll show you that. Okay, so there's a little balcony here from the room, you can see, and it goes out to the street there. You can see the wharf is there, and we're on the 3rd floor. This has 3 floors right across the park. Table and 2 chairs and a little coffee machine. You can see the kind of the style here, and this is the look, or this is what it looks like from this side of the room. They are 2 queen beds because it is the 4 of us today. We're going to be here for 3 nights. And let's try out the bed. Yep, very nice. And then let's try out the pillows. Oh, nice and soft. And this one is a little bit firmer. Look at the style of the lamp, and then the paneling on the back wall there. You can see some detail here with a wicker look. So there's the air conditioning and the remote control. A lot of space here. So I think this is pretty decent space. Okay, then you have a full-length mirror over here to your left, 1 sink, okay, with all the amenities here. What is the brand? Paya. Okay. There's your tissue and your mirror and sconces. Up here, I think, is an extra pillow, probably the hair dryer, some hangers, iron and ironing board, and then they have 2 suitcase racks. We're here in Santa Barbara, and other hotels were more expensive than this. I'll let you know how much it is. I have to check first the price, how much it is per night. Oh, look at this light, or this lamp. Looks pretty nice. Nice shape. And here's some ice. Oh, they give you some complimentary water. That's pretty nice. Okay, here, Beachside Inn. And here's some safety tips, area attractions. There are some salt caves nearby. Here you have just a regular bathroom. Okay. And kind of with the extended rod there for the shower curtain. Oh, it's nice, kind of a yellow mustard type of tile. Okay, clean, basic. Okay, so this is the room, and I will show you the rest of the hotel room, including the lobby and the outside and the street area. hope you enjoyed this hotel room tour of the Beachside Inn in Santa Barbara, and I will see you in the next video. Bye. Hi, if you've made it this far in the video, I'd love to have you follow me on Instagram at Simply Sherry Travels for my short travel vlogs and things to do and places to go for your first time visits. Also at Simply Sherry Eats for foodie travel finds and local bites. You'll stay up to date in my stories and see behind the scenes. Hope to see you there.